In this video, I will show you how to get a HubSpot certificate. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type HubSpot Academy and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official HubSpot Academy website to open the platform where all HubSpot certifications and training courses are available. Once you're on the HubSpot Academy homepage, look for the option to sign up for free courses. Click on it to begin the registration process. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one by entering the required information. After signing up and logging in, you'll gain access to HubSpot's Learning Library. Next, browse through the available certification programs. HubSpot offers courses in various areas such as inbound marketing, content marketing, digital marketing, sales, customer service, email marketing, and many other professional skills. Take your time exploring the available options and choose the certification that best matches your interests, career goals, or the skills you want to develop. After selecting a course, open it and start working through the lessons. Most HubSpot certifications are self-paced, allowing you to learn whenever it is convenient for you. Watch each lesson carefully and pay attention to the key concepts covered throughout the training. Since the certification exam is based on the course material, taking notes while learning can make it easier to review important information later. When you've completed all the required lessons, proceed to the certification exam. Read each question carefully and answer based on what you've learned during the course. Once you pass the exam, HubSpot will issue your certificate, which you can download, share online, or add to your professional profiles and resume. That's how you can get a HubSpot certificate. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.